Hello friends, now we'll solve one problem which is asked in 2019 question paper for 15 marks. The question is on inventory management. The question is write the steps to create ledger, stock groups, units of measure, stock item, go down and vouchers in inventory management. Following transition given below. You have to say the steps of how to create ledger, stock groups, units of measure, stock items, go down and vouchers in Tally inventory management. They are given two transactions. On 1/3/2018, purchase from Raj Enterprises, invoice number 101 as follows. Keyboard 100 numbers at 750 each, mouse 100 numbers at 300 each, monitor 10 numbers at 3000 each. Second transaction on 4/3/2018 sold to Raj Traders, invoice number 105 as follows. Keyboard 100 numbers at 1050 each, mouse 100 numbers at 500 each, monitor 10 numbers at 4000 each. So this is the question. Solution. First in question they ask write the step to create ledger. First how to create ledger. So which are the ledgers are required in this problem? You need a purchase account because purchase from Raj Enterprises, and second ledger Raj Enterprise account. Then third sales account because sold to Raj Traders, sales account. Fourth one is Raj Traders account. 4 ledgers are required here. So here purchase account from Raj Enterprises. This is sundry creditor, sold to Raj Traders. Raj Trader is sundry debtor. Okay. So first how to create ledgers. The steps to create ledger is go to Gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledgers. Create under single ledger. So 4 ledgers you have to create. Purchase account comes under purchase account, sales account comes under sales account, Raj Enterprises centric creditor because it purchased from Raj Enterprises. Then Raj Traders account is centric debtor because sold to Raj Traders. Okay, let's see how to create all these 4 ledgers. Go to accounts info, then click ledgers, then click create. First purchase account. Purchase account comes under purchase account. Next sales account. Sales account comes under sales account. Next Raj Enterprises. Comes under centric creditor. Then Raj Traders. Comes under centric debtor. Raj Traders account. So 4 ledgers are created. Next second. So this is the ledger creation you have to draw in exam. Next creating stock group. So if you see the question, all the stock items are related to some computer items. Okay, some computer parts are there. So we'll use stock group name. Okay, stock group name as computer parts. Okay, second write the step to create ledgers completed. Next stock group. Okay, all the stock items are related to computer parts. So we'll give stock group name as computer parts. So how to create stock group? Go to Gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock groups. Then click create under single stock group. Then name as computer parts under primary. So like this you have to create. Okay, go to inventory info, then stock groups, then click create computer parts. After stock group, next create units of measure. Create units of measure. Okay, so here all the items, stock items, it contains some numbers. Okay, 100 numbers. Okay, 10 numbers like this. So the unit is what number? Okay, so after stock group, you have to create the units of measure. You have to mention the steps to create units of measure. So the unit is what? Numbers. Okay. So steps to create number unit. Go to gateway of tally inventory info units of measure. Then click create. The symbol is number. Formal name is number. Okay. Type is simple. Go to gateway of tally inventory info units of measure. Click create. Under simple number. Formal name is number. Next, after units of measure, next stock item. Creating multiple stock items. You can create multiple stock items at a time because there are 3 stock items out there: keyboard, mouse, monitor. All comes under computer parts. Same stock group, so you can use multiple stock group. Okay, if it is only one single stock group is enough under single stock items. Okay, so there are 3 items out there, all are under same stock group, that is computer parts. So we'll take multiple stock items. So how to create multiple stock items? Go to gateway of tally, inventory info, stock items, then create multiple stock item. Stock items, gateway of tally, inventory info, stock items. Under that, multiple stock items. Click create. Okay, so here the under group computer parts, all comes under computer parts. First item, keyboard. Unit is number. Second, mouse. Third, monitor. Okay, like this. After stock item, next go down. How to create go down? Go to gateway of tally, inventory info, go down, create under single go down. Then enter the go down name. Okay, let's see here. Gateway of tally, inventory info, go downs, under single, click create. Okay, you can give any city name. Like this. Next, after creating all the ledgers, stock group, stock item, units of measure, go down. Next, there are 2 transitions are given. On 1/3/2018, purchase from Raj Enterprises, invoice number as 101 as follows. So keyboard 100 numbers at 750 each, mouse 100 numbers 300 each, monitor 10 numbers 3000 each. Okay, so how to create? Okay, so this is the Okay, so here on 1/3/2018 he purchased some stock items like keyboard, mouse, monitor. Okay, so some keyboard 100 numbers, mouse 100 numbers, monitor 10 numbers. Okay, so the total cost become 1,35,000. So here by purchase account, so 1,35,000. Okay, purchase from Raj Enterprises. Raj Enterprises credit is 1,35,000 total. Total 1,35,000. Purchase account comes under purchase account. Raj Enterprises comes under Sentry creditor, and the voucher is purchased. Let's see how to do in Tally. Okay, go to accounting vouchers, select purchase, then party name is Raj Enterprises, ledger name purchase account, item first keyboard, quantity 100, cost is 750 each, 750. Then mouse 100 numbers, cost is 300 each. Then last monitor 10 numbers, 3,000 each. Okay, so total amount is 1,35,000. Next, second, sales. Sold goods to Mr. Raj Traders. Okay, so the items keyboard 100 numbers at 1,050 rupees each. Then mouse 100 numbers 500 each. Monitor 10 numbers 4,000 each. Okay, so here debit is Raj Traders because sold to Raj Traders. So receiver is Raj Traders. So debit is Raj Traders. So here the total amount is 1,95,000. Here total amount is 1,95,000. 1,95,000. Raj Trader is Sentry debtor, sales account. Credit is 1,95,000 under sales account. Voucher is sales. Let's see how to do in Tally. Okay, select sales. Party name Raj Traders. Can write order number 105 here. Okay. Sales account. Item keyboard. Quantity 100 numbers. Cost 1,050 each. Next mouse 100 numbers at 500 each. Next monitor 10 numbers at 4,000 each. Clear? No, this is how to create accounting voucher. Okay, this is how to create accounting voucher. Okay, last one is vouchers in Tally inventory management. Okay, steps 2 vouchers. Okay, you have to go to accounting voucher, then here purchase and sales, then here you have to write the items, quantity and rate. Clear? No? Okay, thank you.